Welcome back to another mind-blowing video where we're about to uncover an absolutely insane way to make serious cash online. And guess what? You don't need to sell a single thing, have any special skills, or dive into the complicated world of affiliate marketing. It's like making money on easy mode, and I'm here to spill the beans. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate guide on how to rake in up to $16 every single day using the powerhouse that is Google News. No? Seriously? It's so simple, even your grandma could do it. Step 1, my friends, is to head over to the almighty Google. You know, that little search engine we all love. Type in Google News, and voila! Click on the first link, news.google.com now. You're standing at the gates of the Google News Kingdom, a digital wonderland filled with news about everything under the sun, from world events to the latest tech gadgets. Entertainment, sports, you name it. It's like the Disneyland of information. Now, I can already hear you thinking, how on earth am I going to make money just scrolling through the news? Well, my friends, let me lay it out for you. Right at the top of the page, you've got categories like business, tech, entertainment, sports, the real moneymakers. Pay attention because this is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to dive deep into the nitty-gritty of this money-making method. So, we've landed in the awesome world of Google News, and let's say we're feeling the vibe of the latest tech or health news. Click on your chosen category for this video. We're hitting up health. Scroll through and check out the fresh, hot-off-the-press articles. Today, I'm eyeing fitness. Pick one that piques your interest, and let's roll with it. Boom! Clicked it! Now, here's where the magic sauce comes in. Our secret weapon is spinbot.com. Head over there, paste the article into the left box, and get ready for the magic show. Spinbot takes that text, does its spinny spin thing, and voila! You've got a completely new article, same topic, but now it's your own words. Why bother with this spin stuff? Legal stuff, my friends. If we just copied the original article, we might run into copyright headaches. Spinbot keeps us out of trouble, and in a few clicks, you've got yourself a unique piece of content, a blog post, article, call it what you want. It's that simple. But hey, before we get too deep into the magic, make sure you've smashed the like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. We're not just making money, we're turning the internet into our cash playground. Now, let's get crystal clear on the next phase of this money-making journey. If you want to keep some specific words like names, numbers, or quotes, hit this icon right here. You've got the power to customize it. Now it's time to give your article a once-over. Choose one that sparks your interest because, trust me, that's key. Here's the deal: you can make a whopping $1 for each word in this article. But hold your horses, copy that masterpiece and save it somewhere safe because we're about to sell it to websites that'll pay big bucks for your words. These sites are ready to dish out $1 for every word you write. And guess what? I've got a bonus website where you can snag up to $2 per word. These articles can be lengthy, racking up to $16 effortlessly. So, once your article's safe and sound, let's dive into the next step of turning these words into cold, hard cash. Step 3, baby. And our first stop is eatingwell.com. Get ready to make the big bucks because they're shelling out $1 per word you write for them. The best part? You won't break a sweat doing the heavy lifting. Write articles using Google News and Spinbot without worrying about copyright issues. No selling, no affiliate marketing, nada. Stick around till the end because I've got something exciting up my sleeve. I'm about to show you how to stack those bills using not one, but a mind-blowing websites. One of them dishes out a whopping $2 for each word you write. That's right, TWUCKS. They're hungry for articles on money, health, fitness, travel, personal finance, and more. So buckle up because this means you can multiply your earnings by hitting up multiple sites. We're turning this into a cash tsunami. Back to our OG site, eatingwell.com, they're throwing a cool $1 for every word you serve up. Picture this, an 800-word masterpiece nets you a smooth $800. But wait, there's more. The second site I'm about to reveal pays a sweet $2 per word, meaning you can pocket a jaw-dropping $1,600 for each article you swipe from Google News. It's literally a money-making stroll, and you can do it from anywhere on this beautiful planet. But here's the deal, drop your country name in the comments for our future videos. I want to cater to you and everyone watching from your corner of the world. Now, no need to break a sweat or spend a dime, you can start making money RIGHTNOW. So, how do you actually cash in on your brilliance? Easy peasy, head over to creativewritingnews.com/eatingwell, scroll down. You'll see eatingwell.com is ready to drop a dollar bill for each word you submit. Scroll up a bit, and there it is. Are you ready to submit your articles and ideas to Eating Well magazine? Send your pitch to pitches@eatingwell.com or to the prep@eatingwell.com. Now, grab those email addresses and fire off an email with the subject line content submit or something snazzy like that. Tell them you've got an article ready to roll and that you're itching to hear back from them. Want to up your pro game? Use the template on the screen right now. Copy and paste your masterpiece into the email and hit send. If they love what they see, they'll shoot you a reply asking for your payment deets. Don't stress, it's why you are article, spun by the mighty Spinbot. You get to choose how you want to get paid, PayPal, bank transfer, you name it. You can literally kickstart this money train right now as you're watching this video. Follow every step, and with Google News and Spinbot, the cash flow is LIMITLASS. We're about to dive even deeper into the money-making rabbit hole, and you won't believe the goldmine we're about to uncover in the health category. Seriously, it's like a treasure trove of opportunities. The more you dig into these subcategories, the more money you're going to stack. I'm talking about turning this into a cash volcano. But wait, there's more. I promised you not one, but TWO extra websites to turbocharge your earnings. The second one is Popular Science, and guess what? It's like eatingwell.com, but on fast forward. Quick submission process, just shoot them queries, and once they give you the green light, drop the entire article. Boom! Here's the email address you need, right on the screen. Pause the video if you need to, and use the template you see to fire off an article to Popular Science. Now, on this site, focus on tech-related topics. Head back to Google News, hit up the technology category, find something intriguing like this article. Copy it, toss it into Spinbot, let it work its magic, and voila! You've got an original, engaging masterpiece ready to be sent to Popular Science. No copyright worries here. It's all legit as long as it's in your own words, making it unique. Now, for the grand finale, we're hitting up ARP.org. If you're wondering how to get your articles on there, check out their writer guidelines on the website or simply hit up the URL you see on the screen. Brace yourself for the cool part, they're dropping up to $2 per word. That's more cash than our previous stops, and they're open to articles on health, fitness, travel, and more. Copy the email from the site, fire off your article, and watch the money roll in. It's time to submit those articles to the trifecta, eatingwell.com, Popular Science, and ARP.org. Mix it up, no repeats allowed. They won't take the same thing twice, so let your creativity flow and whip up different articles for each site. Now, reality check, not every article will make the cut. They might already have something similar chilling on their site, but who cares? You're not losing a dime by trying, and the potential to make hundreds daily is there for the taking. No stress, no hassle, just pure cash opportunities. And here's the best part, you can start this money-making journey right now for free. Get paid straight to your PayPal or bank account without selling a thing or dabbling in affiliate marketing. It's as simple as copy, paste, and hit send. If you can do that, you're on the express train to Cash Town with the Google News method. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap for today. Thanks a million for tuning in. Until next time, stay awesome, stay subscribed, and remember to spread the love. Catch you on the next one.